2, 1, go!
Welcome to our match number 12 here in round 4 of the playoffs in Sammamish, a fairly even break of Autonomous. To start things off here in this one, looks like the Blue Alliance may pull slightly ahead, still waiting for the scoreboard to settle. Indeed, just a couple extra game pieces there. Actually, no, score finally settles at a tie coming out of the Autonomous period. Just some last-minute scoring trickling in there. And our alliances will break off and go do their own thing now. Chain links here, first one in my vision. Blue Alliance machine pulling that cone all the way across the field. They reach up and just super quickly drop that cone into the top right node of their community grid. Their alliance partners Pack of Parts thought for a quick second that they would jump over the charge pad, but thought better of it at the last moment and drove slowly around it to the left. They have a cone ready to go, and they'd like to place it on the top left of the community node. Chain links, however, absolutely bringing a game and then some in this top right node now, completely filled with a link on that top row. That link provided an extra 5 points to the Alliance score. That was very important in such a tight race. 1 point separate your two alliances so far. There's Titan Robotics Club for red, placing a cube on the top row for 5 points of Alliance score. And in comes a cone that would be completing a link from Cybears if placed. It's good, 5 points plus 5. Their 10-point cycle just from Cybears alone. Titan now hovering in midfield. Not sure if they're intending to play defense, but Pack of Parts wants nothing to do with it. They quickly get away from that Red Alliance defender. Chain links also really not deterred at all by any of these midfield distractions. In goes the cone to the bottom row of their community grid, and it's good for 2 points of Alliance score. Blue Alliance starting to open up their lead now. 15 points. And counting. 12 points now. 99 to 87 your score as we prepare for our endgame period. Blue Alliance has broken into the triple digits. Cybears wanting to prove that they are the Seattle team that will be advancing onwards here. They grab another cone off of the Red Alliance wall. Go past our other Seattle team there in blue bumpers. That's Chain Links. Titan now mashing up Chain Links, just trying to slow down those mighty quick cycles. Chain Links drop the cube off. Bottom row completes a link for 5 points of Alliance score on top of the 2 for the cube itself. And another double triple here in our playoffs. 30-point end games on both sides of the field. We'll wait for referee deliberation before learning, basically now, who will be advancing in our lower bracket. By 13 points, the winner of this playoff match is the Blue Alliance. 141 to 128. Your final scores after such an extremely well-fought playoff round there, and Alliance 7 has one more fight to go before potentially being able to move on to the finals. They'll advance to lower bracket match 13, and that means that we need to say a very loud and warm goodbye to our number 6 Alliance there in red, captained by 492, the Titan Robotics Club, and joined by 4682 Cybears and 3681 the Robo Raiders. Congrats on making it through 4 rounds here of Charged Up Playoffs. We'll be back with some awards in just a moment.